So, although the modular club I joined is called the M for Michael, the M Track group, they actually use Markland K track, which is this sort of track. So a box of rails has recently arrived. Most of what I need to set up the rail plan for the modules, and that's of course probably the greatest fun of all is actually laying track. So the last of the modules, the foam is on. It's a good deal on internet. Okay, a little bit of scenicking. This is going to be a canal going under the bridge at one end of the module, and there's a little, a recreational little lake feature here. There'll be a beach or sandy area here with a path going up to a car park, so that recreation can take place here. There'll be white posts here for any boat traffic that's going up and down. So what I did was I blended some blue and some green and let that swirl around a bit, and that's this effect. Now I'm going to put on a couple of coats of varnish, clear varnish, to get the watery sheen, and then we'll see after that if I need to add a little bit more color. Adding layers of color and varnish tends to add depth to the water feature you're making. At least that's what I found on Rhineland when I made the Amsterdam-Rhine Canal. Is that it took 3 or 4 iterations, 3 or 4 layers of color, 3 or 4 layers of varnish to get the effect you're looking for, which is inland waterway, greeny, browny, bluey color of water, based on the bottom of the water area. See, this area here will I'll probably add a little bit of lighter color to give the effect of a sandy bottom in this area where the recreation little kids can stand and swim around in. So this may turn a little bit of a lighter color, as it gets less deep, so shallower. But there's no trick. It's just trial and error. Keep on building up layers of colors and varnish, and till you're happy that it looks like what you want it to look like, which is an inland waterway. So there'll be little mooring, there'll be posts with white tops along here where the traffic on the canal can't go in this area, and sort of a markation where the swimmers are not allowed to go into the canal area. That's the idea of this. So that's the idea of this little scene. Okay. All done. Ready for some rail laying. We'll get the spirit level and check if it's all level. Okay, I've made a final check for level. Yep. Is it too high? Slightly lower. Okay, that's better. Nice and level. And nice and level. Alright, setup's completed. Everything's firm. Now, what can be more fun than getting some track out and finally seeing if your plan comes together. This is going to be the greatest fun of all. Okay, ready to lay some track. That'll be the next video.